In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use mods in Shadow of the Tomb Raider. Check my video description for this mod manager. Right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Once extract done, right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop this extracted mod manager inside of the game folder. Open the mod manager. Scroll down and open modmanager.exe. Select run option and select the Shadow of Tomb Raider. Select OK. Navigate to the game folder. Select the game exe file and select open option. And now check my video description for this site link. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm going to install this Wetsuit. Before downloading any mods, go to description and in installation it says first install this main file Lara mod. Here you will find the link. I have downloaded this mod and the next step it says outfit unlock mod. I have downloaded this as well. And the third step you can install the Sweatshirt. So you must follow this install instructions. I have this Sweatshirt downloaded and the required two mods downloaded as well. Once you downloaded the mods, go to downloads. Here you can have to see the mod files. Select the mod manager and select this install mod from archive option. Select the mod one by one and select open option. Select install mod from archive and select the same mod. Do the same thing for last one. This way you can install lots of mods. Once you install done, if you want to delete some of these mods, select the mod and select uninstall selected mods. I will show you guys the dress in game. Once you are in game, go near to the campfire, press E key and go to inventory and go to dress. Once you are in the dress section, find the dress we added. Select the dress and successfully loads. Press the escape key and enjoy the game using this dress. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.